Hello squad! So glad you are watching again. In this recorded moment, we want to calculate 8,778 divided by 57. To do this, we change this horizontal division sentence into the standard algorithm. First, we draw the division bracket, then move 8,778 inside the bracket. This is the total we are dividing. Finally, move 57 to the left of the bracket. This is our divisor. The answer to our division will be written right here on top of the bracket. This is called the quotient. Let's look at the first digit of our number inside the house. Is this 8 big enough for 57 to fit inside? But in our case, we found that 57 is larger than 8. So we must take the next digit too. How many 57 are in 87? The answer is 1. Now multiply 1 by 57, which gives us 57. Draw line and subtract 87 minus 57, which leaves us with 30. Now we bring down the next digit, 7, and this makes our new number 307. How many 57 are in 307? The answer is 5. Now multiply 5 by 57, which gives us 285. Draw line and subtract 307 minus 285, which leaves us with 22. Now we bring down the next digit, 8, and this makes our new number 228. How many 57 are in 228? The answer is 4. Now multiply 4 by 57, which gives us 228. Draw line and subtract. The subtraction result is 0. The last result is 154. And this is our final answer for this problem. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos.